Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stratis coin. And today I want to show you some amazing moves by the Stratis coin that it has formed, the different harmonic moves with the US dollar pair and with the Bitcoin pair as well. With the targets, I will show you these patterns. But before that, I want to show you some previous chart patterns that I have shared with you already in my previous videos as well. First was this one, and I shared with you guys this chart back in 2019, July 2019, almost a year back. And you can see that at that time I predicted that the price action from this pennant can find its support here, and from here it can move up, because at that time it was squeezed and that was a decision making time for the price line to move up or break down. I'm now just playing this chart, and you can see that the price action moved almost very close to this support level that I predicted and found a new support here, and now it is gearing up. I've defined these targets from this tail of this pennant up to this support, but as the price action has found a new support just very close to this support, therefore the targets can be changed now. I'll update these targets very soon. At this time I'm sharing these targets in the video's description and in my blogs as well. You can also find the link for my blog in the video's description. Now after this chart, the price action formed another harmonic move, and that was this bullish gauntlet pattern on this very short term 2-hour chart, and the price action moved here in this potential reversal zone, and I predicted that from here the price action can start an upward rally, and you can see that the price action has started a rally to the upside. Now, if we move to the live chart, at this time the price action with US dollar pair, this is the Bitcoin pair and this is the US dollar pair. Price action with Bitcoin pair and in US dollar pair, both it is moving in this up channel. And if we place this volume profile on the complete price action moving within this channel, then we can see that we have this point of control of the volume profile below this support. And we also have the trader's interest up to this level. And below this level, we have a weak trader's interest. So we have a trader's interest even below this support of this up channel. And we also have this volume profile below this support. That is indicating that the price line can move up to at least this level. That is a point of control, because the POC, or point of control of the volume profile, always works as a center of gravity for the price line. Whenever the price line moves up or moves down, it always moves back to this point of control of the volume profile if you have found a correct pattern. Now, if we watch these harmonic moves, for example, this is a Stratis with US dollar pair, then it is forming the final leg of this bullish shark pattern. Before that, it has completed a gauntlet move, and after entering in this potential reversal zone, it moved up, and during this powerful bullish divergence, it formed the next harmonic move, and that is an expected shark move. This is the initial leg. Then the price action is retraced between 0.382 to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. Then it is projected between 1.13 up to 1.618 Fibonacci projection of A to B leg. You can see the exact projection is 1.139. And then this is the second confirmation for the bullish shark. Now we can expect that it will complete this final leg as required for the harmonic move, harmonic bullish shark move, and that is from 0.886 up to 1.13 Fibonacci retracement level. Same as like this, it is also forming the bullish shark pattern with the Bitcoin market as well. And we can see that this potential reversal zone starts from almost 45 cents and ends up to 37 cents. And this sell zone, or Fibonacci projection level, starts from 51 cents and ends up to almost 66 cents. And if we watch the targets with the Bitcoin pair, that start from the potential reversal or a buying zone starts from 4,863 satoshis and ends up to 4,074 satoshis. And if we want this sell zone or Fibonacci projection of C to D leg, then it is that starts from 5,593 satoshis and ends up to 7,199 satoshis. So this trade has the potential to produce up to 76% rally, but if the price action will be able to cross up this 0.786 Fibonacci projection of C to D leg, then it can turn more bullish. However, we should set this maximum limit or extent of this potential reversal zone with the US dollar pair and with the Bitcoin pair as well as our stop loss, because if this potential reversal zone will be broken down, then this leg can move more down and we can have a more powerful bearish rally. So this should be used as a stop loss very strictly, or you can also use your own stop loss strategies as well. I'm also sharing these targets in the video's description and also in my blog as well. You'll find the link for my blog in the video's description. So this was the update so far. I'm expecting that it can move a little bit more down, even it can spike beyond the support of this channel, and after that it can re-enter in the channel up to this level as I have defined as per Fibonacci sequence of these patterns. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to my channel and share my videos as well. Take care. Goodbye.